YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419. I'm at it with another video, man. Hey, see where we at? The Chevy dealership, man. Long time coming. Had to spin the bag here, man. So before this video starts, man, y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe, man. Can y'all please do that for me? I appreciate it. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, this really what it is, man. I had to take the Chevy. Grab this off this floor right quick. Had to grab the Chevy. Well, I got two Chevys. I'm in one right now. The Impala, man. Had to take it to the dealership. Finally took it to the dealership, man. And why I had to bring it, man, it was a problem that I've been having for a while now. But I kept what's that called? I put it off. The only reason why I put it off is because I was driving the car, and it really wasn't bothering me. So it's like it wasn't my like only car, so I really didn't care. But I had to bring it because the side detection system. I just picked it up, but let y'all see the car right. I just paid for it. It's my whip right here. Yeah, right there. See the whip. I just paid for it, so let y'all see, man. Let y'all see how much I had to pay right here, man. Total invoice $13.74, bro. You feel me? Had to pay it. Just paid. Hold on. You know, ain't no cap in this one. I don't cap at all. Where's my other key at right quick? This the Malibu key right here. The other key is somewhere around here. Hope I didn't leave it on dude's desk. Oh, here it goes. Right here. The other key. Pallet key. Just got that back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I had to spend $1,374, man. Actually I've been putting off for a while now, man. What I had to pay for, the most problem that the 2014 Chevy Impala always have, which basically on their newer systems, is the side blind zone alert. Let me put this seatbelt on so this ain't no beeping a million times. But yeah, side blind zone alert, man. I should normally see it act up, you feel me, every once in a while. So like for the past 6 months, it seemed it used to be acting up. But the last 3 months is when it's really just went haywire. When I mean haywire, I mean it's starting to. Basically, it was sending power to the unit when it basically the unit wasn't even communicating with it. You know what I'm saying? So it was always sending power to the car, to the unit at all times. When the car off, the car on was sending power. 90% of the time was sending power. You know what I'm saying? So my light be on, my driver's side light, side by its own alert be on all the time. When I turn the car off, turn the car on, it's be on all the time, all the time, all the time. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, eventually, you know, in the winter months, it was worse because when that car sat for over 24 hours, normally about 30 hours, when cars used to sit, man, that car used to be dead. But if I drove it every day, if I made sure I started that car at least every 18 to 24 hours, it used to start up. But when it got real cold, like in 1, 2, 3 degrees, negative degrees, oh man, if I ain't start that car up in 12 hours, that mother's gonna be dead. Probably about the 14th hour for real. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's one reason why y'all look back at my old videos, the car used to always be plugged up and I didn't used to drive it. because it was drawn on the car, and I knew how much it's probably going to be, how much it cost. And it was going to cost between $800 to a band. You know what I'm saying? But it cost a little bit more than the band, about $1,300. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I never fixed it, because I never really needed it, and it wasn't like I needed to get fixed. It was just an electrical accessory. And that's probably, I was like, damn, I should have bought a fucking goddamn warranty on this motherfucker. I got a warranty on my Malibu, full bumper to bumper, but I ain't putting a warranty on that Impala, man. So that's a lesson learned, especially with cars with these electronics now, man. So yeah, something I just live and learn, because that $1,300 would have paid for it motherfucking stuff for that warranty for sure. But anyway, I paid for it, that's fixed. You know what I'm saying? So that car basically, man, shit, ready to go. Only thing I need to do is put the Cadillac converter on it, which I got, you know what I'm saying? Direct fit, brand new, you feel me? Put that on. Once I put that on, that car ready to go. Because I got like a little thin hairline crack. And actually, for real, a lot of them Impalas got, if you go look up, that's another thing about the Chevy Impalas, man. Their Cadillac inverters, man, the part that got welded on, mostly all of them in the 14 and 15 models, man, they got poor welds, bro, and they got thin line, hairline cracks. So that's make that car super loud when it's a cold start. The car be loud as hell, man. Then probably like 5 seconds after that, it'll warm up and then it'll go away. You know what I'm saying? So gotta get that fixed. After that, we be good. After that, we gonna go ahead and just buy some 275 25 24s for it. You feel me? And mount up on the 24s. I'm not gonna mount up on them 255 25s, man. Gotta put them 24s on the 275 25s. If we do that, we good, man. Shit, car ready to go. You feel me? Shoot, that car. Since I bought that car, I think I put like 17,000 miles in that car already in the past 2.5 years, almost 2.5 years. So, 17? No, I ain't put no damn 17,000 miles in that car. I'm tripping. Or did I? I don't know, I go back and look. Probably like 12, 13, 14, somewhere like that though. But yeah, $1,300 motherfucking dollars though. But hey, but you see, I ain't dumb, man. We gonna fix cars first, and I ain't just be trying to buy the 24s and put the 24s on, and still got this problem. I knew I was gonna fix this problem eventually before the summer came, and I did fix it right here. Today's May 1st, man. Today May 2nd. So yeah, got it done, man. So it is what it is. I spent the bag. It is what it is. Why you always gotta keep making money? We got a lot of cars. You always gotta keep making some money, man, because something always gonna go wrong, man. Either I'm gonna mess up or something gonna go wrong in the car, man. But ever since I had the car, I put a brand new alternator on it, brand new battery in it, put new spark plugs in it. And for real, the alternator and the battery the alternator I probably didn't need to put it on there. I just did it just because I got it for the low. And spark plugs, I just did it just because, you know what I'm saying? It's getting close to 100,000 miles, so go ahead and do it. But anyway, y'all like, y'all share, subscribe, man. I'm gonna go pick up the Impala later, so I might just go ahead Uber, go pick it up right now for real. So yeah, probably go ahead Uber, pick it up right now for real. I'm headed to the crib right now, so yeah, man, your boy Young Rich 419, man. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Money, nigga. Gonna run this bitch up a whole nother ticket, nigga. EST.